This is the video for Module 23, Steel or Concrete Piles with a Concrete Deck. Steel or concrete piles with concrete decks are types of wharf structures that typically consist of a reinforced concrete deck slab, spanning between reinforced concrete cap beams, which are supported on steel or concrete piles. Steel piles are usually H-shaped pile sections, or steel pipe pile sections, with or without concrete fill. Concrete piles can be either conventional or pre-stressed elements in round, square, hexagonal, or octagonal shapes. Piles are connected to the deck systems by embedment of the pile heads into the cap beams. Damage and deterioration to steel or concrete piles with a concrete deck may be caused by exposure to de-icing chemicals, excessive loads from materials placed on the deck or vehicular loads, vessel or ice impacts, abrasion from currents, wave action, ice or vessel impacts, or alkali aggregate reactivity, which reduces the strength of the concrete. In this photo, the steel pipe piles supporting a concrete deck are showing corrosion. These concrete piles show extreme corrosion. The following components should be inspected during operational visual inspections of steel or concrete pile and concrete deck structures: the deck surface, the interface connection between the structure and the shore, wharf face alignment, expansion or construction joints, vertical piles, batter piles, mooring cleats and mooring rings, water supply lines, electrical supply lines, hoists and davits, wheel guards, ladders, and chains and wire ropes. Identifying potential problems. To identify a sudden dip or depression in the deck surface, look for an appearance of cracks in the concrete deck surface, or a grade difference between adjacent sections of the deck. To identify a noticeable inclination of the wharf face, indentation on the top edge of the structure, or misalignment of the structure, look for damage to fender piles or vertical timber fender elements, broken or damaged batter piles, broken or damaged bracing elements, broken or damaged ladders, or broken and damaged wheel guards. What you do depends on the severity of the damage. Except in the case of minor damage, you should close and barricade the section of the structure affected and immediately notify your small craft harvest contact. You should also identify, photograph, and map the problem. Proper maintenance is essential to preserving the life of the harbor. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules and watch the maintenance film. This is the end of Module 23, Steel or Concrete Piles with a Concrete Deck. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules.